Welcome to Prime Health Point, where you'll discover doctor-approved health tips, natural remedies, and wellness guides to feel your best. Have you ever felt constant back pain, neck stiffness, or unexplained fatigue, even though you haven't done anything strenuous? What if I told you the real culprit could be something as simple, but dangerous, as the way you sit or stand? Yes, poor posture may be silently damaging your body more than you realize. In this video, we'll uncover how your everyday posture is impacting your health, and how to fix it before it leads to permanent damage. So stay with us to the end, because these small changes could save you from a lifetime of pain. What is poor posture and why it matters? Posture is the position in which you hold your body while standing, sitting, or lying down. Good posture means your bones are aligned correctly, your muscles work efficiently, and there's minimal strain on your joints and ligaments. On the other hand, poor posture happens when we slouch, lean forward too often, or spend hours in unnatural positions, especially with screens. In today's digital world, poor posture has become a global epidemic. From school children to office workers, people are spending more time hunched over devices, unaware that this is setting off a chain reaction in their bodies. Poor posture may look harmless, but it's quietly stressing your spine, weakening muscles, compressing nerves, and affecting your internal organs too. Common causes of poor posture in daily life. So, what causes poor posture? Here are some everyday habits that are secretly wrecking your alignment. Using smartphones and laptops for long periods without breaks. Sitting in soft couches or unsupportive chairs for hours. Wearing high heels or ill-fitting shoes. Carrying heavy bags on one shoulder. Sleeping on an old or uneven mattress. Even stress and low self-esteem can affect how we hold ourselves. All these little things add up, and over time they become second nature, creating postural imbalances that are hard to reverse. Shocking effects of poor posture on your health. You might be surprised to know how many serious health issues can be linked to bad posture. Chronic back and neck pain, the most obvious and widespread symptom. Headaches, often caused by tension in the neck and shoulders. Breathing issues. Slouching compresses your lungs, limiting oxygen flow. Poor digestion. Your stomach and intestines get cramped, affecting gut function. Nerve compression, leading to numbness or tingling in your limbs. Fatigue. Your muscles work harder to compensate for misalignment, draining your energy. Mood changes. Yes, poor posture has even been linked to low confidence and depression. And here's the worst part. Most people ignore these symptoms or treat them with temporary solutions like painkillers, without realizing that their posture is the root problem. How to know if you have poor posture? Want to find out if your posture is off? Here are some simple signs. Your shoulders are rounded forward. You often crane your neck while using a phone or laptop. One hip sits higher than the other. You feel uneven pressure when walking or standing. People comment that you're slouching, even when you think you're not. You can also try the wall test. Stand with your back against a wall. If your head, shoulders, and hips can't touch the wall at once, your posture may need correcting. Simple daily fixes for better posture. The good news? You can dramatically improve your posture with just a few daily habits. Sit smart. Use ergonomic chairs. Your back should be straight, feet flat on the floor, and knees at a right angle. Stand tall. Keep your chin tucked slightly and shoulders pulled back. Imagine a string pulling you upward from the top of your head. Take movement breaks. If you sit long hours, stand up every 30 minutes. Stretch, walk, or just shake it off. Use lumbar support, especially while driving or working. A cushion at your lower back can help. Strengthen your core. Exercises like planks, bridges, and yoga improve spinal support. Sleep right. Choose a firm mattress, avoid high pillows, and sleep on your side or back, not your stomach. Long-term benefits of good posture. Correcting your posture doesn't just reduce pain, it transforms your entire well-being. You'll feel more energetic. You'll breathe easier. Your digestion improves. You'll look more confident and feel mentally stronger. You may even experience fewer headaches and better sleep quality. And the best part? These changes don't require expensive treatments or equipment, just consistency and awareness. Final thoughts: small fixes, big results. Poor posture might be silent, but the damage it causes is loud and long-lasting. Whether you're a student, office worker, or stay-at-home parent, fixing your posture could be the best investment you make in your health. Don't wait until the pain becomes unbearable. Start today with small steps. Your body will thank you tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with someone who needs it. And subscribe to Prime Health Point for more health tips, wellness hacks, and natural solutions backed by experts. Stay upright, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.